this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got a couple interesting things to show you. But the one we're cooking today, this is from Ottogi. This one is a export version for the US market. I really need more Korean, like local Korean varieties. So if you can help me with that, I would be absolutely thrilled. This is their Jjajang. So it's a black bean sauce. This one says it's smoky. Smoked black bean flavor. I like that. They do a jjajang that is absolutely out of this world. We got some flakes, which go in right now. Yes. Let's drop that in. Vegetable such. A little sachet of paste. Well, it's the black bean sauce. And here's the noodle. It's nice and wide. I absolutely adore this style noodle. They use it in their jjajang as well, and it's really freaking good, folks. And this one goes for 5 minutes. So there we go. 5 minutes. And let's make sure not to boil over. So yeah, I'm stoked. My goal by the end of 2022 was to hit review 4,500. I got up to review 4,505 and then took the extra time and got 3 top 10 lists ready to roll out in 2023. What's going on right now? Big political junk. We actually have a new guy on the show. It's true. We got a new guest that, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. He might be a regular. But, yeah, he's our political correspondent, and I think you may be enthused. I don't know. Are you enthused?
Oh, I know I am.
Yeah, a puppet.
Oh, yeah.
So, what's going on in politics right now?
Well, so Kevin McCarthy is trying to get his seat as the new Speaker of the House. He's kind of run up a little bit of trouble with the, what do they call it? The Freedom Caucus, basically. Yeah. So they did 3 votes, and he's not the speaker yet. This is day 2. I don't know. It's pretty crazy. It's pretty crazy.
Oh yeah, I agree. It's pretty interesting. I guess it's the first time since the year 1923. So it's exactly 100 years since this happened before. That's pretty amazing.
Oh yeah, it's yeah. They win the House, and then it's just infighting. And the other thing is this guy named George Santos, who lied so much. BTC had to say that if he told me good morning, I would immediately go put on pajamas and go to bed. The guy's such a filthy liar. So, yeah. My wife found Kermit on Amazon. Yeah, that's where I was hanging out. I was made in China. My batting, my stuffing, full of fentanyl, and sometimes I get a little cranky. Got a couple ticks, but you know, it's pretty good. I kind of wish I had the plastic eyeballs. You know, the plastic.
Yeah, the plastic eyeballs would have been nice. Yeah,
it really would have like filled out the whole thing really well. And I really wish you wouldn't move your mouth when you talk for me. It's kind of confusing. I don't know what to do about that. I'm not a ventriloquist. Oh, So I guess you're the dummy.
Yeah, I guess I am. So.
Well, this whole instant noodle thing is absolutely fascinating, but I've got to go back to the, where I go, probably on the floor, and without your hand all the way up my ass.
Oh, all right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this has been our political correspondent, Mr. Frog.
Yeah, Mr. Frog. You don't know me. Don't address me by my first name. But, yeah. Yeah, if you ever do any fly ramen, let me know. I'd be interested in that.
All right. All right. Well, thank you, sir.
Yeah, sure.
So, yeah. My wife got me one of these. I said I always wanted one. He's got a stick, folks. I can move his arm. But, yeah. That's either... hey, I'm not juggling. But, it's good to have a political correspondent so nobody can get mad at me. They can just bitch out the frog. But yeah. This is coming along. We are almost done. My God. Look at that time filler. Just need a frog. A frog and being able to sound like one is indispensable for your content solutions for YouTube. So just remember that. Yeah. Man, I'm beat. Yep. Come on, turn off. Okay, so let's get this happening. We will drain the noodle as usual. I'm really hopeful on this one. I think it's going to be good. Black bean sauce, eh? Here's our noodle. Why don't you have a look? And really all we do now is, as you can see, there's a lot of veg in with it, kinda. And we add our sauce. The kids love the sauce. Me, I like the sauce. I've had quite a few different Jjajang varieties. I prefer the ones that come with a sauce rather than a powder. However, I've had some of those that were really good. The main players are Samyang has their Japaghetti, and Paldo has their Jjajangmyeon, which is probably the best one that I've had. And Nongshim has their Japaguri. No, they have the Japaghetti. I can't remember. There's... Japaguri is Jjajang and seafood. But as you can see, it's thick, it's black as night. So let's give this stuff a try. I really don't think I've reviewed this before. I think it's vaguely new. I know they had a Jjajang at one point previously, but it looks like I never reviewed it. So here we are. Black bean. Smoky, huh? Noodle looks good. Let's try it. It's got a sweetness, too, that I wasn't expecting. Kind of a smoky sweet. That's pretty darn good. I may have to have a couple more bites before it's all said and done, if you know what I mean. Okay. So... around a little bit. Yeah, I'm curious about what the world is like in, what is it for you, May? It's only 5 months away, but everything's just been so weird lately. What with the, oh, what do you call it? Gas and inflation and politicals. But and then I did come up with some predictions for 2023. On the list is passing of Bill Cosby, the possibility of a nuclear weapon used by Putin, and what was the other one? A world leader assassination attempt. Not by me, but something crazy. Yeah. Exciting times, ladies and gentlemen. Just absolutely exciting. And I like excitement. That's why they call me Mr. Excitement. That's my other nickname. Alright. Rotato. Now there's excitement. Alright, cool. That's it for me for today. This has been Hans the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. More to come. Have a good one. Bye-bye.